Bro is not here. I need to listen what he says.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Okay, I get that now.
Do you want short version or long version?
Short version.
I had a fire.
What's the long version?
I had a fire.
Was that the engine?
Yes. This doesn't hurt.
Really?
You just want your engine to catch fire too.
Yes.
Do other of our friends' engines catch fire when they're angry?
Yes.
Really?
It's only caused by mechanical issues normally.
Get me out of here. Why is an engine on fire?
I made it.
Because you get mad?
This wasn't the only time I get mad. It's just my memory. Baby bus, set your engine on fire.
Why should I?
Just do it.
I'll do it right now.
I can teleport.
Oh no.
What? Sneeze?
Eventually. Dead engine now. Service to air missile.
Goodbye everyone.